Look, the fat sister-in-law has ushered in another challenge. The tractor won't start. This is for him who often needs to use tractors for farm work. This is undoubtedly a major issue. However, the fat sister-in-law did not panic because of this. He decided to repair the tractor himself. Drawing on his years of experience, his preliminary judgment was that the starter was malfunctioning. So he decided to remove the starter. Take a look inside. The fat sister-in-law is a good hand at living. He is not only good at farming, he is also proficient in the maintenance of various machinery, especially the repair of tractors. No, the tractor starts to malfunction. The fat sister-in-law was not in a hurry to ask someone to fix it. Instead, take it apart and check it yourself. And change a starter for a few $100s. He was reluctant. Try not to change the problems that can be fixed. This is also an attitude of his life. He knows that only by working hard and frugally can he live better. After the starter is successfully removed, the fat sister-in-law is going to disassemble it to check the internal situation. Disassembling the starter requires care and patience. Due to the complex internal structure, each component has its own specific function and location. However, the general starter failure is basically the cause of the brush or carbon brush. At this moment, the fat sister-in-law was carefully dismantling the shell of the starter. Next, let's see how the fat sister-in-law repairs this starter. And take this opportunity to gain a deeper understanding of its internal structure. At the same time, I hope you will use your little hands to make a fortune. Give the fat sister-in-law a like. Thank you very much. When the surface of the commutator burned slightly, the fat sister-in-law sanded with fine sandpaper. Remove the burn marks on the surface of the commutator. Restore the smoothness of its surface. After confirming that all components are intact, the fat sister-in-law began to reassemble the starter. He took it apart in the reverse order, installed the individual components back into place one by one. He paid particular attention to the fixing method and connection points of each part. Make sure they are tight and reliable. There are no loose or virtual connections. After confirming that everything is normal, he reattached the starter to the tractor and connect the relevant circuits and circuits. Finally, the fat sister tried to start the tractor. This time the starter made a crisp sound. The tractor started smoothly.
Everyone feels that being fat is important.
How would you rate him